We got this one in today for a mold, a big dog flood service. The customer had a problem with the sunroof and the water penetrated his floorboard and caused major moldy situation here. So we're going in, cleaning everything up. Disinfect the floorboard, clean up the rest of the car. Big dog flood service. Let's go. On a job like this, we methodically take out each component on each panel and take an inventory of which items that we're taking out and what order that we're taking it out, so that we don't have any confusion when it's time to put things back together. This is the passenger side, driver side, back molding. Here we go the seat feet from the front seat to the back. 4 of those. Left and right side. Seat moldings. On the trunk parts, I just took off the cover right here. The mat went over it, and this is the cover to the jack. I mean the spare tire. So these trunk covers have two clips on both sides. We start by removing the seats so we can access under the carpet, and then we pull the carpet out of the car. So we got all the seats out. We're gonna pull the carpet back. Then we start the process of disinfecting the floorboard, removing any water and steaming the floorboard. Infected padding or carpet is discarded and replaced. The pad has been infected with mold, and you have to change it out, so I'm taking it off so we can make a mold of it, cut out a new pattern, put new padding on here. The thing is to get as much of it off as we can.
Alright, well, this is our car. We had some water damage in here. It rained into the car. The whole bottom was wet, and then it started getting moldy, so I needed some help. And Excellency helped pull out the entire carpet, replace the padding, replace the insulation, put all the seats back in, carpet back in, insulation. Now she's as good as new.
Excellency. Auto beauty.